Okay, language explorer. So let's look at this word here then. Interest. On our Monday noun. Interest. Wanting to know more about something. To know more. What is this? What is that? What is this? What does this mean? What is this all about? How does that? Wow. Oh. What is this? It piqued my interest and I want to learn more. When something is interesting enough for you and you to do it. So that's interesting. I want to go there. That's interesting. I want to climb that. That's really cool. I want to paint that and do that and write that myself. Wow. That's amazing. That is amazing. So like these cats here. So there could be like a little toy just here. And the cats are all staring at the toy. It caught their attention. It's got their interest. This caught my attention. This thing caught my attention. Yes. That fact is interesting. Interesting. How does that work? Something you want to learn more about. Yes. What are your interests? What do you like to do? Writing, perhaps? Teaching? Learning? My interests include writing, Spanish, and exercise, health, travel. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So we could say interest one, singular, and interests, 2 plus. Interests. I have a lot of interests. How many interests do you have? I have a lot of interests. How many interests do you have? And what are they? What are they? Yeah. How cool is that? So, he had this strange interest. He had this very strange and weird, unusual interest. He had this strange interest. Yeah. He liked to all sorts. But it was very. That was a weird interest of his. That was a weird interest. Okay. I am interested in learning more. Yes. I am interested in learning more Spanish. I'm very interested in getting new ideas and ways to teach English. Yes, I'm very interested. Looking at ways, thinking. Always planning and pondering and imagining new ways and unique ways of teaching English. Yes. Yeah. So, do you think that will catch his attention? So catch his attention. Catch attention. Oh. Yeah. Maybe the bright colours and lights might grab people's attention. Grab people's interest. Grab the interest. We need to make it. We'll need to make it in such a way that it can grab that it can get their interest easily. Get their interest easily. Otherwise, it is boring. It is boring. Get their interest. There we are. Is boring. If it doesn't grab their attention, grab their interest, then it's boring. Boring. But how cool is that, Language Explorers? Yes. How cool is that? So, interest. Wanting to know more. Tell me, what is this? What is that? Tell me. Or when something is interesting enough for you to do, for you or to do something. That place looks interesting, I want to go there. That place is interesting, we need to travel there. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah, so interest. So can you write a sentence with interest? Can you? Then put it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel, more videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.